Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card to Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. In order to do this, we will need to use the pin for the SIM tray. We can find it inside the box of the device. Then with the pin, we need to take a look at the left side. Over here we have the SIM tray where we have this hole. We need to place this pin inside this hole and then push it forward so that the SIM tray comes out just a little bit. And now we need to use our fingers in order to take out the SIM tray. There we go. This is how the SIM tray looks like. Over here we have the front. The front can be recognized by the text. And we have 2 SIM slots in total. I can recommend you using a table so that it is a little bit easier to install the SIM cards, as it is quite annoying to do so, because it is really easy to drop the SIM card, so be careful with that. We need to place it so that it matches the slot. There we go. And this is the first card installed. If you want to install another one, you can of course do that. You have 1 slot shared for SIM2 and for the memory card. And I accidentally removed the second SIM. And oops, there we go. Yeah, so like I said, it's really easy to drop, to miss it. So be careful with that. The table might be helpful, but of course it is up to personal preference. You might actually want to do this with just your hands. And there we go. And now of course we can place the SIM tray back in. Be careful not to drop the SIM cards, because they are pretty loose in this example. Just place it inside, and like you see, I just dropped the second SIM card. So the SIM tray is actually pretty loose. It's really hard to install them so that they don't drop. But that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.